Hey Cakenistas! I feel like I had to bring it up in active for the holiday season. Christmas time is here. Let's spread a little cakey cheer. This Christmas, I would like to make some holiday faves. How do you guys feel about rum cake? Apparently you must like it because you clicked on the video. When I was in Bermuda, okay, I had for the first time a chocolate rum cake. I never had a chocolate rum cake. They had always been vanilla or maybe even lemon. But chocolate, no. And I did not think that I was gonna like it, but I loved it. And I was like, I got to make that when I get home. So that's what we're going to do today in this video. We are going to make a chocolate rum. Yes, I said it just like that. We're going to take a couple of shortcuts to make this one of the easiest recipes ever. So bring it to the Christmas party, bring it to the office party if you like them enough, you know, your coworkers, because, you know. If you are excited for the holiday faves, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't done so yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, press on the notification bell, and let's get started. This is the rum that I'm going to be using for this cake. It is Bacardi spiced rum. I'm also going to be using this triple chocolate fudge cake mix. It has little chocolate pieces in there and it already has pudding in it, so it's going to be perfect for this recipe. We're going to use some oil and water as well as some pudding, a whole box of pudding. Pour out your rum, the rum of your choice, and some large eggs. So you can already see those little chocolate bits in there. And you know what? If you're doing this from scratch or if your cake mix does not have little chocolate bits, go ahead and add some little chocolate chips in there. That would be so good. Okay, we want this to be super chocolatey. So we are pretty much going to follow the directions on the back of the box. This is a very simple recipe. However, like I said, we're going to add in our chocolate pudding, and we're also going to cut back some of that water because we are adding another liquid in the form of rum. So now I'm going to pour in my gorgeous golden rum, and this actually smells like, I'm getting hints of floral, I'm getting hints of fruits, I'm getting spices. So it is definitely perfect for the holidays. I'm gonna also add in my oil and my water. All of the measurements will be in the description down below, by the way. I'm gonna add in my room temperature eggs. And when mixing this, you will notice the extra decadence, the fudginess that pudding gives it. Usually, I would only add a couple tablespoons of pudding to a cake mix or a cake batter. I don't know why. I'm adding in the whole box from now on. I've loved the turnout each and every single time. If you don't want to use box cake mix, trust me, I understand. I'm not a huge fan of box cake mix myself. Definitely head over to my Drop Dead Delicious chocolate cake video, and there you will find the perfect chocolate cake recipe. So now I'm going to pull out my favorite and only one of two bundt pans that I actually own. I'm going to spray that with a little bit of nonstick spray or Pam. I know that it's not going to stick because it's a box cake mix. They just don't typically stick. So I'm going to trust this pan spray right now. And I'm going to add that gorgeous cake batter to this pan. Now, oftentimes, rum cakes have nuts or pecans specifically in the cake. You can add that to the bottom of the pan first and then the batter. You can mix it in, or you can do without. This is going to go into a 350-degree oven for between 35 and 40 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Now, Cakenista, this is where the love comes in. We're going to make our drench, our rum drench. That's what I'm calling it because I don't know what else to call it. In a small saucepan, add some unsalted butter, some sugar, some water, and some rum. We're basically going to make like a boozy simple syrup, if you will. Once the butter melts, you're going to let it simmer for about 5 minutes, and then you're going to remove it from the stove. Make sure that you have this syrup ready, because the moment that your gorgeous cake comes out of the oven, you are going to pour the entire thing onto the cake. If you're not used to doing this, this feels wrong, but you don't want to be right. And you can attempt to cut out some of that strong rum flavor by cooking the syrup for a little bit longer. However, no, the alcohol will never completely cook out. So be mindful of that if you're serving this to children, which I would not recommend, just saying. But look how gorgeous. So we're gonna let that sit. You're going to need to serve this to your guests this Christmas, this holiday season. Bring it to the party. Bring it to the Christmas party. Oh, I wish I had a Christmas party to go to. Maybe things will change. Maybe I'll get friends. Anyway. Don't mind me, I'm just speaking my truth. So I'm going to flip my cake upside down onto my plate. It is completely cooled at this point. It has been about an hour. The cake looks dry. I mean, it looks like, what did we do? What liquid where? But we know that it is all soaked inside. So I have made some semi-sweet chocolate ganache. I'm not going to make perfect drizzles. I'm not going to be overly calculated here. I'm going to put this ganache all up on this cake. I'm going to get it on the counter. This just feels like, do what you gotta do, Marisha. Do what you gotta do. Now, although I did not add pecans to the actual cake batter, I'm going to put some on the top of the cake because why not? I love pecans and it looks absolutely gorgeous. And I'm doing this straight from the back, okay? No shame. I'm going to finish it lastly with some chopped chocolate chunks. I took some chocolate chunks and I chopped them. And that is it, you guys. That is an absolutely gorgeous, absolutely decadent holiday rum cake. Look at the smile. I can't even eat it because I'm not eating cake right now. I'm trying not to eat sweets till Christmas, but you guys, look at it. Yep, holding up the bottle, just so excited. I took it outside so that I could let the neighbors see. Literally, somebody stopped and got out their car and watched me do this. So awkward. But anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Couture and a chocolate rum cake. Bye, guys. Do you have a traditional dessert that you and your family just have to have for Christmas time? If so, what is it? Subscribe to the channel, head over to my Facebook fan page and follow me. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and I will see you guys in the next, hold on, whoa, sorry, my bad. Let's pick a Cakenista comment. So while I'm looking for a comment, I went to ShopRite today, and I was just looking at the rotisserie chickens to see how I felt about them. I look a little closer and I see jerk, and I said jerk chicken. What? And ShopRite. It looked so good. I could see the strings from the peppers and everything. So I said, oh, this looks official. So anyway, I bought it and I took a bite of a wing. It is official. I'm shocked. So I can't wait to have that on a Caesar salad later on for dinner. Anyway, the Cakenista comment of the day is going to go to Mo Love. So on my realistic Thanksgiving sides cupcakes, Mo Love says, I wanted to learn how to make these cupcakes. Thank you for making this video. And I wanted to make this video for so long. I'm glad that I could help you. Those cupcakes are so much fun. And really, I never want to put Thanksgiving dinner because it's really a holiday dinner. Like I said in the video, we eat the same things for Christmas. If anybody's still eating Thanksgiving leftovers, I'm gonna tell you right now, it's not safe at this point. You should only be eating poultry 3, maybe 4 days in. That's it. Anything further, you're just asking for a stomach ache at that point. It's not a turkey sandwich anymore. It's a petri dish. Just think about that this holiday season. Yes, you get tired of eating turkey, but look, I had a turkey, cranberry, and cheese quesadilla that I made. I did some bacon in it too. Oh my gosh. And I put a little bit of ranch on the inside too. If it sounds like a lot to you, it is. But that's what Thanksgiving is about. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, Cakenistas.